What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some shrimp fajitas. We got some good stuff, some homemade sauce, so come on in, check it out, and let's get it going. So we got 1 onion sliced up. We have 2 green peppers, 2 red peppers sliced up into thin pieces. Got some serranos. Got some homemade salsa. We got some flour tortillas right here. I'm not sure what we're going to use yet, but and then right here we got the sauce. This is some homemade sauce. I don't remember everything I put in there. It's all going to be in the description though. Then right here we got 2 pounds of shrimp, deveined and deshelled. And then we got some more tortillas over here. And yeah, let's get it going. I'm going to start off with a little olive oil over here. Now there is olive oil in the seasoning here. That's olive oil, some garlic, salt, pepper, some chili. I used the Blackstone chili sauce or powder, and I think that was it. I'll confirm and I'll put everything in the description below, but yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get this oil turned around here. Let's get these veggies going. All right. Got the griddle nice and hot. It was at about 390 when I started messing around with everything. Put it all on there. There we go. We have to chop up these onions a little bit better. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn this stuff up. Ooh, baby. I love the sound of that sizzle. Get this stuff nice and good. And then normally I see people, they like to put the sauce on before they cook the veggies and the shrimp and all that good stuff. I don't like to do that because I like to get a little char on the veggies and the food and everything, and then put the sauce on. That's just my thing, I guess. But yeah, chop up these veggies a little bit, these onions, separate them a little. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, I'm just gonna let this stuff sit and chill for a few minutes, and then bring it back. So I'm just turning this stuff around a little bit. Looking pretty good, smelling really good. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead, it's starting to get some char on there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a little bit of a pile. Let's put some of this sauce on here. It's it thinned out a lot because of the heat and the oil thinned out. So let's get down here. I want to make sure I get some of the stuff. All right. Good on that. That might not be enough. I'm kind of doing a little trial and error stuff because I've never done this kind of sauce. I've always used like some kind of fajita sauce. So we're just playing with it, seeing how it goes. And it smells really good. We want to make sure we get all these veggies incorporated. Look at that. That smells really good. Alright, so these are just cooking up nicely. We're just going to leave them do their thing. And that's it. Alright, we threw these serrano peppers on here. I'm going to get them over here to the hotter part. Get them going. I'm going to move these veggies over here. Ooh, buddy. This is smelling really good. Alright, we're going to put a little bit more olive oil down. Let's work on these shrimpies. Alright. This is 2 pounds of shrimp. throw them on here. Get in there. All right. I'm gonna be throwing my dome on there. There's a little bit of these juices already left on here from the veggies. So let's just turn these around a little bit. Oh man. All right, let's get them in somewhat of a circle. Go ahead and cover them up for about, let's see how hot we got it. Let's do about 2 minutes. And I'll bring you right back. These shrimp are looking really good right now. Let's come back to these veggies. I turned my far left burner off. This one's on all the way low, and these two are medium low. So let's, ooh, baby, we're getting a nice little cook on these. All right. There we go. Now let's go ahead and throw the sauce on the shrimpies. Ooh. Stir it up a little bit. Once it sits, it starts to settle. You want to get that stuff out of there. Just pour it on in. Scrape it out. Man, it smells really, really good. All right. Turn it around, and then I am gonna dome them back up so they can finish cooking. I just wanted to get the sauce on there so it cooks in there a little bit. Man, this smells so good. Getting a lot of nice color on that. All right, I think these shrimp are done. That looks so good, and it smells so good. I had them on there for another minute. So let's go ahead and mix this stuff together. Ooh, boy, this is ridiculous. Look at that. I gotta show you this. Got a couple tortillas here. These are flour tortillas. Let's get a little oil on that. Spread that oil around. Yep, keep it on there. Just keep it turning. I'm just gonna let these sit on here for about 5 seconds. Then flip them and then do another 5. And let's see how we're doing on this. I'm telling you guys, this looks amazing. I can't even describe this. This is just looking too good. All right, that was definitely longer than 5 seconds, but we're good. Got a little dirtiness from the food, scraped it on there. We're good. All right, let's go ahead and throw these on there. I have all my burners are off right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop some of this on here. Losing it. There we go. Boy, man, this is looking seriously good. Spread them shrimpies. Let's give it a couple more veggies over here. Losing it. Come on. All right. Now, I don't throw cheese on my fajitas usually, so that's just, what I do. But let's go ahead and dive in and give this a try. Baby. It's hot. That shrimp is perfect. I've never cooked bad shrimp on this thing. It's so easy. Veggies have a nice crunch to it. This seasoning was really good. I've never done it like this. Super simple. And actually, a little bit of it went quite a ways too. So check out the description for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that thumbs up, please. And don't forget, we're giving away a griddle at 1,000 subscribers. At the time of filming this, I think we're at 790 something like that. So keep tuned for that, and appreciate you coming along. Thanks.